Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making our own DIY disinfectant wipes. So in front of me I have bleach. Of course it kills 99.9% of germs. I have 2 cups of water. I have a roll of napkins and a plastic container that I found lying around in the house. Our next step in this process, we're going to be measuring 2.5 tablespoons of Clorox, and we're going to mix it into our water. Our next step is we're going to have to cut our napkins that we have here in half. So get a sturdy knife that you have in your household and cut it in half. So after you already cut your roll of napkins in half, I went ahead and I took my container that I found at home and I actually placed it into the container. Our next step in our DIY wipes to disinfect our home, you're going to be pouring in your water with Clorox, but of course slowly. Remember to pour it in slowly. After you are done pouring your Clorox and water that we mixed up, you're going to go ahead and take out the brown center right here. You're going to place your lid on top of your container, and there you go. You have your own little DIY disinfectant wipes that you made at home for yourself.